Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to place the orders by using the trade on chat option in Zerodha. Okay, so for example, let's say you have to buy when the stock break this candle high, or when the stock break this candle low, you have to sell like this. So I'll be telling you how you can place by using this trade option which is available in Zerodha right now, and it is very simple. Okay, and also many people were asking like it's not available in your phone yet, and yes, in phone app it's not yet available. So the Zerodha has not yet released the update for the phone app to place these orders, and these features are not yet available in Zerodha app. But you can still use this in your phone by opening kite.zerodha.com from your phone browser. Okay, like you can use your Google Chrome in your phone or any browser and open kite.zerodha.com and log into your account, and you can still use these features in your phone itself. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blog spot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can match all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. Okay, and also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live examples of how to place the orders by using this trade on chat option. Okay, so let's say for example, I'm using SBI and stock right now, and let's say you have to buy it above this candle high. Okay, so this candle high is almost like 199.75. So let's say you have to buy this above this. Okay, so buy above this candle high. So now let's say at the top, here at the right side, you can see the price which is changing. Okay, now it's at 199.80. So let's say you have to buy this around 199.80. Okay, you can just simply drag this line and place the order. Okay, just drag the line here and select MIS or CNC. Okay, so there is no other options like bracket order or cover order. As of now, there's only one option, that is MIS. Okay, so select here whether you have to buy or sell and type your quantity, how much of a quantity you have to trade. For example, now let me put as one quantity itself and click on buy. And when you go to your order book, your trigger will be pending. Your order will trigger at that level only where your order should be triggered. Okay, it won't execute in the market price. Okay, now as you can see, now the market price is 197.30, but your order is not yet executed, it is still at pending, because I have kept buy at 199.85 because I want this order to trigger when the stock breaks this candle high. Okay, so this is how you can see, and here you can see an event option. So if you click on orders, it will show that what is happening here. Okay, so it will show your order is pending. Okay, and you have kept the buy at 199.85. So if you If you keep as none, it will not show anything here. So if you just keep it as event and orders, so it will show where you have kept the order. So there will be a blue dot. If you click on that dot, it will tell you the order status and everything. Okay, and also here you can see the number has 1 year, so that will show you like how much quantity you have kept as a buy at what price. And also if you click that, it is asking you to modify. If you want to modify the order, just come here to your chat where it shows as one, click on that, and there only you can easily modify your order. It's very very simple, so there's no need to use this buy or sell button as of now. Okay, so if you are placing your buy or sell entry, you can just drag this button, and using this trade button you can place your orders. And once your order is triggered, then you can go to your positions and then exit. Okay, so right now my order is not yet triggered, so nothing in the position yet. So once the order is triggered, you can come to your position and exit. So whatever level you have to buy or sell, you can use this trade option and trade according to it. Okay, so this was the live example of how to place the buy or sell order using this trade option, trade on chart option in Zerodha. Okay, so if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video. And also if you want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course now, and I'll be guiding you guys how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.